Today we're here at 19 Cedar Street in Essex. We're here to view this fantastic home. Let's go take a look around the outside before we go to the inside. As you can see here, when you first pull up to the house, you've got this amazing walkway. Check out all these beautiful gardens. As you can see here, that you've got a pathway that you can stroll through and enjoy all the beauty that there is in this fantastic home. Tons of perennial gardens. You're going to love everything that this property has to offer. When we come around to the back side, you can still continue to see that we've got an amazing amount of garden. This is a paradise if you are green thumb at heart. Now let's go ahead and take a look here. You've got a beautiful patio. Just imagine entertaining during the summer month in this beautiful backyard with friends and family. As you can see too, the gardens are just endless. As you come around further, you're going to see that on the back side here, you've got some beautiful landscaping. The steps are absolutely breathtaking. We go further up as well, and you're going to see that the gardens just continue on. Love the green space through here. As you can see that the homeowners have taken a lot of time and care to design this beautiful property. As you can continue further seeing is that you get a beautiful property. Now, when you come up here as well, check out the green space, also the shed here as well. You can put all your gardening tools. Now, when you come back further, you can see that you've got still an endless amount of beauty. Back on the back part of the property, you're going to notice that you've got plenty of green space here if you want to hang out with friends. Got some nice shaded area. You also got a spot for your furry friend as well. Now, let's continue on with the tour. As you can see, another nice view of the landscaping through here. I absolutely love it. This is going to be an oasis that anyone would love to have. Great overviews. Now that we've seen some of the outside of this beautiful home, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so here we have the inside of the home. So when you first come in, off to your right, if you're looking for a place to work from home, this is a great office space here. Love the hardwood floors. Got plenty of natural lighting. Has pocket doors here as well, so if you're looking for some privacy, you can close yourself off. Now, when you come to your left, you're going to see that you're going to have the formal dining room area. And again, I love it too because I love natural lighting. Beautiful flooring, and of course too, look across the way and you're going to see that you've got a gas fireplace. Now this also leads to the kitchen area. A couple of great features here is that you've got that built-in desk area. Love the bench seating, adds a lot of comfort and warmth to the area. And then check out this kitchen. This thing has it all. Check out the amount of cabinets, counter space, center island, stainless steel appliances. Love the burner stove over there with the exhaust fan. You've got a couple of spots here for a closet. And then this is cool too because you've got this great pass-through that goes into the other room. So again, if you're out here, you can always keep track of your guests. Now, we're going to go further into the mudroom. Love the tile. You can see here you've got plenty of space to store all your stuff. The door goes off to the back part. You're going to love it back there. And then up here, convenience for having your laundry in the first floor. Always a great feature. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the garage. So here we are. It's a two-car garage. Huge. You've got tall ceilings. Great thing too is that it's very deep, so that way you have access. You can put some storage. You also have a door that goes to the back, and then there's also stairs that go down into the basement. Let's go ahead and check out more of the home. Now if we go back into the house here, you can see you've got this really amazing, great room. One piece I love too in the accent is you get this gas stove right here. Awesome for some ambiance for the colder months. And you can see, check out all this natural lighting that you have. Absolutely fantastic. And again, you come through here and you're going to notice that you've got this really nice back patio. Absolutely stunning area. We'll get to that again. So let's go ahead and we'll continue on with the tour. But again, I love it too because you've got the high vaulted ceiling here, so it gives it a lot of space to work with. So let's go ahead and take a look at the upstairs. So here we have the upstairs. So when you first come in off to your left, this is going to be your primary bedroom. What I love about this too is that you've got an amazing amount of space here. Off to your right of the room, you're going to have this huge walk-in closet. And then when you come off to the other side, you're going to see that you've got your primary private bathroom. And then in here, great features that you get this really nice large tiled shower area, which is great. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at some of the other spaces here. So when you come down the hallway, again to your left is going to be where your second bathroom is going to be. Again, love the tile flooring. When you come off to the side, here's going to be one of your bedrooms. Again, love the old dormers because it gives a lot of character to the angles. The same thing here too. This is awesome because you've got a ton of natural lighting in here. And then we come down the hallway, we get into this really big area. I love this because it really can be used for a lot of different things. You've got plenty of closets here. Love the natural lighting, especially too because you've got the skylights here. Adds a lot of character and warmth to the room and the closet when you first come in. Okay, so now that we've seen some of the second floor, let's go ahead and take a look at the basement. Here we are in the basement. So when you come down, you can see you've got plenty of storage space. To the left, this is going to be a closet, and then straight forward is going to be where the utilities are. So you've got a well-McLean boiler, and then you get the hot water and tank there as well. But then when you see here as well, you've got a great finished space down here. Use it for an extra rec room, family room, whatever suits your needs. This can handle it all, or you can use it as your workout room, which is always a nice thing. Now, for those who've always dreamed about having a wood shop or anywhere where you have a hobby, check this out. Your dreams are going to come true here in a second. Got a great spot here where, yes indeed, you can make this your woodworking room. How is that for some space? Okay, let's go back upstairs and we'll finish the tour. Okay, so this is 19 Cedar Street in Essex, Vermont. We invite you to come down and take a look at this beautiful home.